See, now we'll move on to aromatic hydrocarbon. Under aromatic hydrocarbon, see, let us see the basic introduction of this. So the word aroma refers to a pleasant smelling or sweet smelling compound. See here, the aromatic compound will have the strong fragrances. Okay, so perfume, for example, vanilla and then cinnamon, they will smell differently. So these are all the natural compound. And also the word aroma that refers to smelling, pleasant smelling. Okay, so here the aromatic hydrocarbon that will be classified depending on the number of rings that is attached with it. Okay, so one ring is then the monocyclic. Okay, so here that is simply expanded as MAH, that is monocyclic aromatic hydrocarbon. So if benzene, toluene இதெல்லாம் எடுத்தோம்னா monocyclic, ஒரே ஒரு benzene ring. Polycyclic means it will have more than one aromatic ring. So PAH. So if naphthalene and then anthracene இதெல்லாம் எடுத்தோம்னா it will have more than one benzene ring. So now we'll move on to the nomenclature and then isomerism. So nomenclature is simply we have to check whether all the 6 hydrogen atoms will get equivalent with each other. Okay, then it is mono substituted. Again, this is said to be a methyl benzene. This is an IUPAC name. The common name is toluene. And here you see ethyl benzene. Then cumene, it is simply isopropyl benzene, right? So if it is a disubstituent, then we have to number it, right? So this is said to be the ortho position, then meta para position, right? Here this is the ortho position. This is said to be the meta position and this is said to be the para position, right? If you number means this common name is orthoxylene, metaxylene, paraxylene. If you check the numbering here 1, 2, so 1, 2 dimethyl benzene, here 1, 1, 2, 3. If you number by this method, then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number is more. So we have to go for the least numbering. So we have chosen this 1, 3 and 1, 4 paraxylene, right? So the numbering will be done as like this. Now comes aromaticity. So aromaticity is simply the Huckel's rule. Actually, this represents the aromaticity. It is a function of electronic structure. Here, a compound may be aromatic only if it obeys the following rules. So, என்னென்ன rules வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, molecule must be coplanar. It should have the complete delocalization of pi electron and the presence of 4n plus 2 pi electron in the ring. Here n refers to the integer starts with a 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So this is known as a Huckel's rule. Cn, if we take benzene. So benzene it is a planar molecule. So it has எத்தனை pi electrons இருக்கு அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, so totally 6 pi electron. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pi electrons are there. So இப்போ n refers to 6. So which means we have to calculate the n value, right? See here the 4n plus 2 will be equal to 6. So இதுல இருந்து நம்ம எவ்வளவு pi electrons இருக்குன்னு அதை substitute பண்ணிட்டு n ஓட value என்னன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So n is equal to 1. If I substitute 1 here, this will be equal to this pi electron. If 4 into 1 is 4 plus 2 is 6. So this 6 will be equivalent to this pi electron. So then it satisfies the Huckel's rule. Then it is said to be the aromatic compound. Again naphthalene. So naphthalene வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா 10 pi electrons இருக்கு. So that 10 pi electrons. Okay. So here we get the value of n as 2. So 4 into 2 plus 2 will get 10. So this gets satisfied. Again for anthracene we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 pi electrons. So here if we calculate the n value, it is equal to 3. So when we substitute to this 4n plus 2, then we get the compound will get satisfied with the Huckel's rule, that is aromatic compound, right? So now we'll go for the cyclopentadiene. So it is having 1, 2, 3, 4 pi electrons. Okay, even though it has planar structure, it has 4 pi electrons. When we check with the Huckel's rule, it won't get satisfied with that, and also there won't be any delocalization of pi electrons, right? So it is a non-aromatic compound. And again if we take cyclooctat tetraene, here it is also not an aromatic compound, cyclopropynyl cation. So this has an aromatic nature because it is having 2 pi electron. So 4n will be equal to 0. So n is equal to 0. So when n is equal to 0, we are having 2. So that will get equal to this 2 pi electron. So this will get an aromatic nature. So now comes the structure of benzene. See here the molecular formula is simply given by C6H6. In straight chain structure are not possible because it is having the delocalization of pi electrons. So which means it won't have the straight chain. Okay. Again, cyclic structure of benzene, their evidence is given here. So when it treated with the bromine, here we are takes place in the presence of aluminum chloride. We have the formation of a bromobenzene with HBr formation, and then addition of hydrogen. This is another reaction that confirms the presence of a benzene ring. It is in ring form. That is the structure of benzene. Raney nickel on reduction, it gives a cyclohexane. Again, the Kekule structure in the year 1865 that confirms the presence of cyclic planar structure. That will have the two objections: the presence of double bond between the substituent. This refers to the single bond between the substituent, right? So this confirms the one objection, and the second objection, it does not give a proper explanation why the benzene will have 3 double bonds and did not give the addition reaction like alkenes, right? So to overcome this, the Kekule suggested that benzene is a mixture of 2 forms of the structure. So the double bond will get shifted as in this form as well as in this form. So it is in equilibrium form. Then the resonance description of benzene, resonance structure. See here in resonance structure, totally it will have 2 structure, and the third structure will be similar to the 1 and 2, right? So this refers to the delocalization of the pi electrons. In spectroscopic measurement, what happens is that the spectroscopic studies shows that benzene is a planar molecule, and also it has carbon-carbon bond with a distance of 1.40 Armstrong. So 1 Armstrong will be equal to 10 to the power minus 10, right? And again, the carbon-carbon single bond will lie between 1.54 Armstrong, and the double bond will get lie with the 1.34 Armstrong unit. In molecular structure, it will have the hybridization has in the form of a sigma bond in the benzene. So the carbon, the 6 carbon in the மாதிரி இருக்கு இல்லையா, அந்த carbon குள்ள hybridization வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it will have sp2 hybridization, and the pi electrons are delocalized. So all the carbon atoms will have the delocalization of pi molecular orbital. So finally, we can represent the benzene as in the expanded form, Kekule structure, and shorthand representation. So இது வந்து expanded எழுதுறது, Kekule வந்து இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும்னு சொன்னாரு. ஷார்ட் நம்ம சிம்பிளா எப்படி எழுதுறோம்னா பென்சின் போட்டு இப்படி சர்க்கிள் போடுறோம். இந்த மாதிரி சர்க்கிள் போட்டோம்னா that bond is possible throughout the carbon, right? Then the benzene and its homologous series. So the word homo refers to the same, right? So which means it is a colorless liquid with pleasant odor. Then the properties la vandu pathina colorless ah irukum, nalla pleasant odor irukum. Then it is lighter than water, and it is insoluble, highly flammable, volatile, and non-toxic. And it's toxic in nature. So benzene is toxic in nature. So the sources வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா எங்க இருந்து aromatic compound நமக்கு கிடைக்குது அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, so first coal tar and then petroleum, then laboratoryல அதை prepare பண்ணலாம் with simple aliphatic compounds. So first preparation பார்க்கலாம். See here in preparation, industrial preparation, crude oil. If we take crude oil, especially it should be done with the pyrolysis of coal. Then during fractional distillation also. So நம்ம already distillation process என்னன்னு பார்த்திருக்கோம். So distillation அப்படின்றதுனா they get boiling point. So different boiling point உள்ள liquids நம்ம ஈஸியா செப்பரேட் பண்ணலாம். அதுதான் வந்து என்னது டிஸ்டிலேஷன் ப்ராசஸ். ஸோ ஃப்ராக்ஷனல் டிஸ்டிலேஷன் மூலமா நம்ம இப்போ கோல் ஸ்டார் எடுத்தோம்னா அதுல இருந்து தான் நமக்கு பெட்ரோலியம் பை ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் நிறைய கிடைக்கும் இல்லையா. கெரோசின், டீசல், பெட்ரோல் இந்த மாதிரி நம்ம நிறைய அதுல இருந்து கோல் ஸ்டார்ல இருந்து டெரிவேட்டிவா இருக்கு இல்லையா. ஸோ இதெல்லாம் ஃப்ராக்ஷனல் டிஸ்டிலேஷன் மூலமா தான் we'll get. See here, crude oil, the temperature and the component name, middle oil, heavy oil, green oil, pitch. ஸோ நம்ம ஒரு கோல் தார் எடுத்து அதை டிஸ்டிலேட் பண்ணோம்னா இப்படிதான் நமக்கு கிடைக்கும். அந்த டெம்பரேச்சர் ரேஞ்ச் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க பாருங்க. அண்ட் தென் அந்த காம்போனன்ட், இப்போ க்ரூட் லைட் ஆயில் எடுத்தோம்னா அதுல என்ன காம்போனன்ட் இருக்குன்னா பென்சீன், டோலின், xylene, middle oil, heavy oil, green oil, pitch. So like that we are having the different formation of the component. Then comes acetylene. So from acetylene, it is treated with red hot iron tube, we will get the benzene formation. With the sodium benzoate, we get the benzene formation, elimination of sodium carbonate. With phenol, with zinc, we get benzene, zinc oxide elimination. Again with iodomethane, bromobenzene, we get toluene. Friedel-Crafts reaction is simply benzene with chloromethane. Right? With anhydrous aluminum chloride, we get toluene with elimination of HCl. In physical properties, if we check with the physical property, it is colorless liquid, insoluble in water, and then solution is alcohol, ether, and chloroforms. Right? Insoluble in this solvents, and it burns with a luminous sooty flame in contrast to alkanes and alkanes. So, nalla flame la வைக்கும்போது என்னன்னா ஒரு மாதிரி bluish flame ல இருக்கும். Then if we inhale, it is highly toxic. So தெரியாம நம்ம உள்ள inhale பண்ணிட்டோம்னா என்ன ஆகும்னா நமக்கு consciousness போயிடும். Then comes chemical properties. So the chemical properties வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா it is having the delocalization of electrons, and also the ring structure is stabilized. That is highly stable. எதனால ஸ்டேபிளா இருக்குன்னா அந்த பை எலக்ட்ரான்ஸ் எல்லா இடத்துக்குமே மூவ் ஆகுது இல்லையா அந்த ரிங் குள்ள, அதனால அது ஸ்டேபிளா இருக்குது. ரைட்? So here in electrophilic substitution reaction, nitration, halogenation, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts, alkylation, acylation, electrophilic substitution reaction, then its mechanism. So these are all the aromatic compound, their preparation properties, and then uses. So their reaction types. See you on next session.